Hello everyone, I'm Sara, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English.
I'm here to help you learn how to compare people and things. Let's begin with the key points. What are comparative adjectives? Comparatives with more and irregular forms. What are superlative adjectives? Superlatives with most and irregular forms. Everyday conversations. Tips to remember practice examples. Summary. What are comparative adjectives? We use comparative adjectives to compare two things or people. We usually add er to short adjectives, tall, taller, fast, faster, small, smaller. We use than to connect the two things. My brother is taller than me. This car is faster than that one. Comparatives with more and irregular forms. For longer adjectives, we use more instead of er, more beautiful, more expensive, more comfortable. Examples. This sofa is more comfortable than that chair. She is more polite than her co-worker. Some adjectives are irregular. Good, better. Today is better than yesterday. Bad, worse. This movie is worse than the last one. What are superlative adjectives? Now let's look at superlative adjectives. We use them to describe the highest or lowest degree when we compare three or more things. For short adjectives, we add est, tall, the tallest, small, the smallest, fast, the fastest. Examples. Mount Everest is the highest mountain. This is the smallest bag in the store. We always use the before a superlative. Superlatives with most and irregular forms. For long adjectives, we use the most before the adjective, the most expensive, the most interesting, the most delicious. Examples. This is the most delicious cake I've ever had. That was the most exciting trip. And yes, we also have irregular forms. Good, the best. She's the best student in the class. Bad, the worst. It was the worst day of my life. Everyday conversations. See how Layla and Omar used both comparatives and superlatives to talk about their choices.
Which restaurant do you like more?
I think Thai Street is better than the Italian one.
Yes, and it's the most affordable place nearby.
Tips to remember. Let's keep it simple. Short adjectives. Add er and est. Long adjectives. Use more and the most. Irregulars. Good, better. The best, bad, worse. The worst. And always use than with comparatives and the with superlatives. Practice examples. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. My phone is faster than my old phone. Tea is healthier than soda. This is the biggest city I've visited. She's the most helpful person at work. Summary. Let's review. Use comparative adjectives with than to compare two things. My house is bigger than yours. This book is more interesting than the last one. Use superlative adjectives with the to describe the highest or lowest degree. This is the biggest cake I've ever seen. He is the most talented player on the team. Remember irregular forms like better, worse, the best, the worst.
Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.